This is Carmen from Simple Couture Designs. In this video, I want to share with you a new feature in Canva. And this feature allows you to add page numbers onto your book automatically. It is a super useful feature. Like I have a book of 30 kawaii coloring pages, and I want to add page number to this book on all the pages without me actually typing or doing any copy and paste. Let me show you how. So let me open one of the page and go inside it. The first thing I need to do is to click on text here. And after you click on text, then you will notice there's a new feature called dynamic text. And here is page numbers. Just click on it. And then here you can specify how your number should look on your page. So you have different formats you can select. There's a numbers only, there's page plus number, and there's also page X of Y, such as page 1 of 10. I like this, so I click on it. And then you see this page number shows up here on your page. Now, I like this, but I don't want my page number to be up on the top left corner. I actually want it to be in the middle and at the bottom. It's easy. You just drag it down and put it right in here. Then what you have to do is that you can just simply click on Apply Properties to all pages, just one click. And you will see every page here has the page 8 out of 30, in this case, throughout all the pages in my book. This is super helpful. I just need to go over every page and see if there's any overlapping area that I may need to move things around. Let's say, oh, I think this page number is a little bit too tight to this graphic, to this page. So let me move it down. Easy. I just need to apply properties to all pages, and it's going to update the location, which is one of the properties of this page number onto all of my pages. How easy it is. So I'm so excited to discover this feature. I think it's going to help us a lot adding page numbers automatically. And finally, if you want to remove all of the page numbers from this book, it's so easy. You just click remove all page numbers here, and all the page numbers will be gone for you. I hope this video is helpful to you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I'll see you then. Bye.